Okay, Facebook viewers, whoever's watching, I have returned with the part. This is the part that I will be replacing today. And it's brand new. So I'm going to be taking the old part out. I think I already took it out because I hot wired it. So I've already taken it out, but I'm going to be replacing it today. First thing I need to do, because I've been watching some of the videos, is take off my end caps. There you go. That's the first one. Because I'm going to have to remove these screws. There's screws here, down in here on both sides. So I'm going to have to remove those. Okay. And this shouldn't take very long. I had to do this same thing on my dryer yesterday. So I'm gonna just to go back and let you know that I've already unplugged it, so it's not plugged into the wall. And I also turned off the breaker because I don't want any mishaps happening. So, okay, I'm going to cut it off, and I'll come back when I've taken those screws out.